Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Attorney Scott Morris coming live from Morris Injury Law, the Morris Injury Law headquarters. And as you know, every Monday morning we come with the Monday morning gift. And today what we're going to be talking about is rear end collisions and 3 things to keep in mind in the event of a rear end collision. Why are we bringing this up today? The reason we're bringing this up today is because rear end collisions are extremely common in Las Vegas. I see them very often in my practice, and so I feel that it's important to educate people on how to protect themselves in the event that this should occur. All right, so we have 3 strategies to keep in mind in the event of a rear end collision. Let's go to number 1. Number 1, remember to take a picture of the at-fault person's vehicle. I see this very often in my practice where a person gets rear-ended and they take all these pictures of their own vehicle, but they fail to take pictures of the at-fault vehicle. And a lot of the times the pictures of the at-fault vehicle can tell a great deal, if not more, about the severity of the impact than taking pictures of their own bumper. So remember in the event of a rear-end collision to not only take pictures of your own bumper, but also to take pictures of the front of the at-fault person's vehicle. Number 2, you want to take pictures of the scene. And when I say pictures of the scene, of course you always want to be safe while doing so, but look at the details. Is there a lot of traffic? Take pictures of that so we have an idea of what kind of collision occurred. If there's no traffic, take pictures of that. Is there skid marks on the road? If there's skid marks on the road, that shows that the person slammed on the brakes and was going so fast that they couldn't stop in time to avoid the collision. That's a very important thing to keep in mind with regard to protecting your rear-end collision case. Number 3 is pertaining to video. And video is very important, especially in rear-end collision cases, is because it fills in the gaps that photos might not be able to portray. So, for example, you might take photos of the scene. However, when you're taking a video, are you able to catch the at-fault driver being aggressive and hostile and cursing on the side of the road? That's something that plays a part of your case. Are you able to show were they tired? Were they intoxicated? Did they get out of their car stumbling around? A picture might not be able to illustrate that as well as a video. So again, when you, in the event of a rear-end collision, there's a lot that you want to document to keep your case as strong as possible. These are 3 strategies to keep in mind. This is the Monday morning gift. I hope everybody has a great day. You can give us a call at 855-667-7529. You can email us at mail@morrisinjurylaw.com, or you can visit us on the web at www.morrisinjurylaw.com. Like, share, subscribe to the channel, and everybody have a great day. Take care.